Hello, traders. This is Leading Forex YouTube channel, and I have another forecast for you. It's been a long time I came your way with forecast, but thanks be to God, we are back again. And today I have this forecast for you. All right. If this is your first time of seeing our forecast, or this is your first time of coming to this channel, then I'll suggest that once you get this forecast, try it on demo for a week or two before you head on to your live account to trade with it. Is that okay? Because you need to believe in what you are seeing before you even put your hard-earned money on it. Is that okay? So do not rush and put this on live account unless you've been with us for some time and you know how we do our things. Then of course you can trust us or believe in this and then give it a try on your live account. If not, don't try it on live account. Is that okay? So today we have a currency pair known as GBPCHF. Yes, and our forecast is going to be on GBPCHF. Currently, the time is on daily time frame. And if you pull an indicator called Bollinger Bands on the chart, this is what you will see on GBPCHF daily time frame. An indicator known as Bollinger Band, that is what you see. The lines you see on the chart, that is a Bollinger Band indicator. All right. Now, we're doing price action and then indicators combined. That is what we do with this strategy. Now, with this strategy, I am not going to explain what Bollinger Band is all about, what it does, and no. I'm not going there. I'm just going straight forward to tell you what you should do. Is that okay? Now, the first thing I need you to take notice of is management, risk management. So with the risk management for this currency, for this pair or this forecast, if you are trading an account that has a balance of $100, if you have an account that has a balance of $100, then I'll suggest that you use a lot size of 0.02. And then you place just a single trade. Okay, so you use an account that has $100. Please try and use a lot size of 0.02. That's what I want to mean. So if you have an account of $100, your lot size is going to be 0.02, and you will place just one single trade. Don't place more than one. Is that okay? Now, if you have an account balance of say $200, please go with a lot size of 0.03. Okay, 0.03. And then that also, you place just a single trade. Don't go more than that. Is that okay? Now, if you have an account of $500, okay, you can go with a lot size of 0.10, or better still, 0.08. Any of these you can use, all right? Any of these lot size you can use, and just place a single trade, not more than one trade. Is that okay? Now, if you have more than $500, you have $1,000 account, then you can go with a lot size of 0.10. Okay, so 0.10, that will be your lot size, and you place just one trade, nothing more than that. Is that okay? Now, to those of us who have an account that has a balance less than 100, okay, to those of us who have an account with a balance that is less than $100, maybe $10 or $20 or $30 or maybe $40, or something that is less than $100, an account balance less than $100, please go with a lot size of 0.01. That is your best bet, 0.01, and you place just a single trade. Okay, that is what you need to do. Is that okay? Now, that settles on account management for now in terms of lot size. So quickly, let's look at our signal. What is our signal like? What are we doing? Are we buying or selling with this currency pair that we see? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to buy. Yes, we're going to buy this trade. That's what we're going to do. Now, what we can see here is that price is touching the down part of the Bollinger Band. Are we all seeing that? Yes, over here, price is touching the down part of the Bollinger Bands. So with this strategy, what you're going to do is to buy. And if you buy, the target we're looking for is for price to come back and touch the middle line here. That is what we are looking at. So price will go all up to touch the middle line. That is what we are looking at for. Is that okay? But if we are looking at price moving from here all the way to touch the middle line, that will be about 200 pips. That will be about 200 pips. So should we really take all the 200 pips? I will say no. We're going to take only 100 pips. Only 100 pips. That is what we're going to take as our TP. So our TP, instead of going for 200 pips, we're going to go for half of it, which is about 100 pips. Is that okay? Good. Now that we are clear on what we're going to do, what should be our stop loss? Now, if I will combine a little bit of price action to what I'm doing right now, you will see that if I zoom out, you will see that price is already touching a support. This is a support level here. Price is already touching a support level here, because look at where price has reached. Price has reached a support level. So this is a support level that price has reached. So we expect that up movement. Okay, that is a bit of the price action that I'll show you. So we have the support here. Price is touching the support, and price is also touching the down part of the Bollinger Bands. So we expect an up move for this pair, and our TP is 100 pips. So today, I'm just going to give you the figures. So if we are targeting 100 pips, then our TP is going to be 1.27668. That is going to be our TP. Is that okay? This is going to be our TP. 1.27668 TP. Now, what should be our stop loss? We can target a stop loss near this angle, a stop loss near this level here, the end part of the support, okay? And with that, we are looking at about 80 pips, okay? We are looking at about 80 pips. But for me, I would suggest that maybe why not give it 100 pips stop loss as well? I am the type that normally do not trade with stop loss at times, not all the time, but at times, okay? Because once you enter the market at a good point, you are sure to get the trade going in your favor, no matter what happens. So mostly, I hardly trade with a stop loss, but not that I don't trade with a stop loss. I do place stop loss, but not all the time, okay? So if you want to trade without a stop loss, that is fine. But if you want to place a stop loss, then your stop loss is going to be a stop loss of 100 pips is going to be a stop loss of 100 pips. That is what we're looking at. Is that what we're looking at? So a stop loss of 100 pips, I beg your pardon, a stop loss of 100 pips is going to be 1.25668. 1.25668. This is going to be our stop loss. Is that okay? So in this week, this is what I have for you. A buy for this trade, a buy for this trade at this level, and we're buying from this level here, and our target is at the top, somewhere here. Is that okay? That is going to be our forecast for GBPCHF on daily time frame. So let me see you do that on your demo. But if you've been with this channel for some time now, please, you know what we do. You can try it on your live account, and let's see how it goes. I'll see you in the course of the week as we bring you updates on what this trade is going to be like. So if you are not on my Telegram page, go to the description of this video. You will see the link to my Telegram page. You can join. It's a free Telegram page. You can be part of us. And then whenever we post updates or new signals, you'll see them. We also have a VIP page, which you can join if you like. It is not compulsory. That is if you like. So, but we have the free one. You can join through the description of this video. Just join our free channel and then enjoy all the goodies that you'll find over there. Is that okay? You can also subscribe to this channel if this is your first time. Subscribe, because we have more forecasts that come your way on weekly. I've been quiet for some time with this forecast, but I'm back again. So please join, subscribe to this channel for more. Please, you can also share this channel with friends. Tell colleagues about it, and let's grow this community together. Thank you. I'll see you in the course of the week.